Okay, welcome to this quick tutorial on the picket fence. Oh, sorry, I saw my eraser on. Okay, the picket fence is a tool that you use to organize your thoughts and to do dimensional analysis or unit conversions. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It's set up this way, and you draw lines between it. The vertical lines, when the numbers are side by side, means you multiply. Top and bottom mean that you divide. We'll start here with the loner, and you always need to know what your goal is that you're trying to work towards. And then the key is you've got to put your units here and make sure that this unit, if we have a star there, those unit needs to be the same. So let's say that I have inch here, an inch here needs to be the same. If I have feet, they need to be the same, so they will cancel out. Always working our changes towards the goal. A picket fence can be short, it can be long, but again, all it is a tool to help you organize your thoughts. Okay, you will hear me say a lot. Start with the loner, know your goal, cancel as you go. And within each of these things here and here and here, we will put proportions or ratios. Proportions are a comparison of numbers. So the main proportions that we'll be using are gram per mole, which is molar mass, or sorry, I can spell, not really actually, molarity, which is moles over liters. And we can use that to do some conversions for what we'll need in the lab. Okay, as you're doing these type of problems, we have a few major goals that you always need to work towards. Let me clean this all up. And step number one is identify proportions you're working with. So know what you have. Okay, step number two, find the loner. The number that's not part of a proportion, and then you start that right there. 3, know your goal. Well, that's a little bit too thick. Know the goal. And 4, cancel as you go. And that's what we talk about up here, making sure we cancel. Okay. So again, the picket fence is just a tool. If you know what proportions you have, you know your loner and where you're going, then you can cancel as you go. Hopefully that helps you a little bit with that. And you can work on your proportions. We will use this throughout the rest of the year, and it is a very useful tool. See ya.